Okay, finally, the most important event of Google, the Google I/O 2021. So today in this video, we are going to talk about that. But yeah, before getting to it, let me tell you that the starting ones not seems interesting for some people, yeah, but ending one are for all. So do watch this video till the end. Building a more helpful Google for everyone is the main motive of this Google I/O event 2021. So here comes the first update. It's related to the Meet meetings and all. So you know that due to coronavirus, the lockdowns are going on, and hence Google has given a feature to solve the problems of more than lakhs of companies. They have introduced the Google Meet option in documents, sheets as well as sites, so you can present your project with your team. Okay, so everyone here use the Google for the searches, right? So here they are introducing the new one, which is the Lambda. So till now they have only used this in text field, but yeah, coming soon they will be building a multimodal module where the results will be combination of text, audios, videos as well as the images. So it's going to be interesting, right? Then the next one is they are trying to make the Google more safer this time, so that anyone can access their Google accounts too and be safe, because more cyber security related issues are going on now. So if you also wanted to become safe on this smartphone which is in your hand, so do subscribe and click the bell icon to get regularly notified when I upload my latest videos. Okay, so the first project they have come up with is the auto delete. So in this they automatically deletes the inactive accounts active data after 18 months, so that your data remains safe. Done this with more than 2 millions of accounts, and yeah, soon will be coming with your accounts too. Then the next one is password alerts. So if any of your saved passwords are getting used by any of your third-party application installed on your smartphones, then the quick fix feature in the Chrome will take place. Here the assistant will automatically take you to the Chrome page where you can change your password within few seconds. Then comes the next one is the Tensor Processing Unit, TPU v4, whereas it contains 4096 chip in it. And yeah, with this they are trying to build the best quantum computers in future. Okay, so the next one might seems interesting for the athlete peoples. So here comes the AR Athlete. A AR Athlete object show you some athletic moves. Then here comes for especially the peoples who are from educational field. So the Google Lens has got a new ability which combines visual translation and educational content from the web and provides you enjoy your studies with the help of Google. Then the Google Maps has also get some new updates and more interesting too. There are 100 plus improvements in Google Maps using the AI. They are bringing the virtual street signs to help us navigate the complex ways very easily sitting at your home. It's interesting and it's also playable. As you know, there are 360 previews available on Google Maps of some location. But yeah, now they are trying to get some more 3D videos as well as 3D images for us of almost all the places with the help of AI, and you can navigate to the hardest and the complicated buildings very easily. Then here's a more interesting features if you use a Google Map to navigate. Eco-friendly routes will be shown from now, which shows you how much fuel is required to actually reach to your final destination. So it's the great update you can say, especially for the college peoples. Then the next update comes in Google Photos. When you click any picture using a Google Photos, you will get a suggestion to scan the full image and search the things inside and start your shopping easily. And for now, there are more than 4 trillions of photos and videos stored on Google. Then comes with the design. So Material You have been launched, which give you the ability to customize and transform your applications and also the looks and feels as per your niche. So it's going to be like more interesting. Yeah, is the Android update. So Android 12 has came, and yeah, with this they have also reached a milestone where now there are 3 billions of active Android users in the world. Okay, so let's get back to the Android 12 update. So it's totally inspired by Material You. In short, it's totally available for you to customize everything according to you. So then comes the next one, where Google and Samsung has made a collab to make the Wear OS, where you will get the faster performance, longer battery life, and yeah, a great developer community. Here they have got some highly industrial experts to make this thing possible, where you will get a better camera optimization, and it will automatically take the help of AI to adjust your desaturation, saturations, direct light which falls on your face will be automatically got reduced, and yeah, many more. And yeah, this one for which I am totally very interested, the Project Starline. So what is it about? And yeah, but it's currently now available only in some of the Google Office. To make it short and simple, as you do a video call, it's going to be the same one. But yeah, the interesting part comes now. You will get a 3D module of the person who is on the other side of the device. So yeah, this is going to be damn amazing. Fully futuristic feeling, right? So the technologies are gaining more and more nowadays. So now the last one, which Google will secure in soon coming 2030, is the carbon-free energy. They are trying to get a 24/7 carbon-free energy modules by 2030. So it's going to be damn environmental care. So let me know in the comment section for which update you are interested. And yeah, if you like these updates, do hit the like button. And yeah, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get regularly notified. That's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.